guys, how to make microwave lens. First get a melon. Then you need this because microwaves are always made up of metal. Size it. I don't know, but they just wanted to make it bigger. Just gonna. Oh, I forgot to layer it. Layer it to down. Layer it to up. I know this is for the speaker man, but I don't care. Okay, after that, stop sizing it. Just make the same size, but not the same. Just test it. If it's good, if it's gonna fall, disable gravity! Okay, after that, I need to get a, this, yes. I don't know what the microwave looks like, but I just took a picture of it, of my mom's microwave. I'm struggling. I'm struggling. Okay, this is not that bad. This is not bad. Good. Okay, after that, we're gonna stop. Okay, after that, connect. Connect. Okay, we got it. Now the last thing is that we need to get is underwear. So to make the underwear, we're not making it white, but just making it green. We need a mat. We need two of them actually. Okay. Good morning. Saying good morning if you watch this in the day. Now connect them. Now you know this is a little weird. Let's see, I freeze. Oh god. Oh god. I'm just a terrible guy of building. Oh no, the other one is not. Okay, good. Now you made microwave man. It's the arm to layer up because it won't show it. Never mind, it will connect. And you have it. Microwave man. Goodbye, guys.